Yes, good morning, class. Yesterday we have studied chapter 8, the consequences of humans on the environment. Then now we will study about the effects of global warming, how the global warming is affecting on environment. So as you all know, when the carbon dioxide increase and other greenhouses gas also increase in the atmosphere, it leads to the global warming. So it is predicted that the global temperature might increase around 2 degrees Celsius by 2050. Most scientists warn that global warming is already resulting in the melting of glaciers and permanent ice over the Siberia. Means all the ice is melting over over Siberia, and the glaciers are also melting there. Thousands of Arctic lakes are also disappearing, and the normally frozen soil that was known as permafrost. Here we have the usual soil of brown color, but here there in the Arctic Circle, there is no soil is there. Instead the snow is there, that is only known as the frozen soil, that is known as the permafrost, and that is also thawing, and the water has started draining away. So from that water has been started draining away, that in turn will endanger native plants and animals and migratory birds also. Global warming has its effects in hot places too. Africa's favorite crop like maize is struggling to survive. It is not like that global warming is having its effect only in snow rich area, but also it is having the effect on the hot and humid areas also. Like in Africa, the favorite crop maize that is harvested many more times is very much struggling there. Global warming has hit rice production according to scientists at the International Rice Research Institute at Manila. The yield falls by 10% for every 1 degree Celsius increase in night temperature. The melting of polar ice is predicted to cause an increase in a sea level. Many island and coastal region could get submerged. So it is said that many island and coastal region, they could also get submerged. Then comes the forest. How forest is resulting in global warming, means deforestation is also resulting in global warming. Trees that absorb the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Now with the trees gone and the carbon dioxide level is increasing, as day by day the carbon dioxide level is increasing, the global warming is also increasing. That Indonesia has banned the export of the timber. Indonesia has completely banned the export of the timber, but still it is illegally logged and exported to different countries, United States and Japan. Even the United States alone reported that it is spending around $3.8 billion a year for the illegally logged timber, according to the Environmental Investigation Agency. Then also not only like this, wildlife is also been endangered, because in just few years Africa was having 70,000 black rhinoceros in early 1970s, but by the end of 1980s the number was only just 3,000. Also that Asiatic lion that is found from the Mediterranean to India, means that was found around the world, it has been now only confined to, means limited to Gir forest in Gujarat. In India, protected animals like the black buck are hunted. Even the house sparrows, common 25 years back, are disappearing from the cities. Then the ocean life is also being affected, because humans have plundered ocean life, fishing boats, and many illegal trips have been taken place. When the ships move, the illegal hunting of the whales, sharks, different fishes, they have been it have been in known, and they have been killed for various reasons. Also when the ship moves, many dolphins, many fishes, they come across and they get killed. So this is, we will keep it till here only. Thank you, students.